taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo.
It's yours entirely. I'll be
Okay, guys, I am attempting to move into my dorm at FIT, and I'm so irritated. Like, so irritated. We are in the car right now with my dad in my car. And we are actually in New York. We're on 20, I don't know, I think we're on 20 something, but we're on our way. We had to go all the way because we were good, like we were on 27, but it's a special lane that everybody is loading into, so we gotta go all the way back around. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey y'all, so we got half of my stuff in my room. This moving in process is just pure BS, but we're not even gonna get into it. I'm at BBQs with my family right now. Say hi. Y'all don't have to say hi.
He's going to UCLA.
So we're just trying to kill time because I still have more of my stuff that I have to move in.
I'm
that I can't move in
I'm
until 6 o'clock. And it's only 14 right now.
I'll be there with you.
We're in Gap now, and we just finished eating. She wanna be in my vlog so bad, Joe. So bad.
I'm repping
the school I should be at right now, but we're not gonna get into that.
She should be at FIT.
Anyway, guys, we're at Gap right now. You see I got my leftover BBQs. Jordan's in the fit room trying on pants, and I'm still irritated. I still got to get the rest of my stuff back in my room, and then I have a floor meeting at 7. I don't want to go to the floor meeting. I don't care about these people. I don't care about what they got going on. But yeah.
I got my pretty phone paint light out.
My family is leaving me.
It's a push pin.
Hey y'all, I'm still looking a hot mess, but I'm all moved in or whatever. My family left or whatever. I'm just irritated. Like, this whole like moving experience is just irritating. You know, I wish it could have been better, and I'll probably talk about that in a Get Ready With Me. But this whole moving experience was some BS, honestly. Like, these rules, I don't like following people's rules, but like these rules were BS basically with moving in. So of course Jada was irritated and pissed off the whole time. I don't know, but yeah, my roommate, she was here but she left. Amir's here but she's in her room with her family, I think, and now I'm just here by myself. I don't know. I don't want to show you guys my room yet because honestly it's not the way I like it. I would like it to be. But I guess I could show y'all, like, you know, a little like overview of my room. And then do my room tour once everything is like, you know, to my liking. But yeah, guys, so follow me. So this is my front door. I'm not really gonna go into depth into anything. That's my roommate's side. This is my desk. It just looks a mess. And then more of my stuff, my bed. So yeah, that's my side of everything. The lighting is cute over here. I don't know why my light, can y'all see my light right here? It doesn't work, but my roommate's light works, so I don't know what's going on. Y'all see this pimple? Like, I've just been stressed out. Like, today is not my day, and I'm so ready for it to be over. Like, I broke down a couple times already. Like, I'm over it. I just feel like it's the devil testing me, you know, to see how strong I can be during this experience, because this is a whole new experience for me. Like you guys know, I came from my school in Maryland, which is a HBCU, which is completely different from this school. The living situation is way better than this, and it's just, you know, I'm overwhelmed, because, you know, I'm just so used to having things my way, and I understand, you know, everything can't be my way, but it's just a learning process, you know. I'm learning that everything can't be my way. You know, I'm learning that I can't always have my way, and I'm learning that I have to make do with what I have. It's a process, and you guys will be along with me for the process, and hopefully, you know, I can get through this, and it can be, you know, a successful process and a successful learning experience. But for right now, I'm struggling. I'm not happy. I want to go home, honestly. Like, I wouldn't mind commuting. I don't want to be in this room at all. Like, this is just my honest feelings. I don't know, and my family just left, and I think that's like hitting me even more. Like, I miss them, and I don't know, y'all. I'm not feeling this at all. I'm not feeling this whole situation. Like, I wouldn't mind being a commuter student, because I live a train ride away, so I wouldn't mind it. Like, I was acting like such a brat today, y'all, but it was just like, I don't know, like, these rules that they have here just don't make sense to me. They're just dumb to me. So when I was getting told I couldn't do things, or couldn't do this, or couldn't have this, of course I could have attitude, like, you know. But I have to learn that, you know, I can't just catch an attitude. And then since I had an attitude, I was unhappy, and I was catching attitudes with everybody, the RAs, my family, which I do feel bad about. I don't feel bad about catching an attitude with the RAs. They deserved it. But, like, you know, my family, you know, my family is my family. Like, you know, they stick by me through whatever. So I would definitely feel bad about that. But like I said, guys, this is a learning process. I'll probably go more into depth about how I'm feeling in this whole transition and to get ready with me. But yeah, this is probably not going to be the end of the vlog. I'm probably going to meet up with Amir and, you know, see wherever the night takes us. Right now it's 7:34, and yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys later. Hopefully I'm looking a little cute, and hopefully I'm not crying. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I am feeling way better, and I'm looking, you know, a whole lot better. I'm not crying, I'm not sad or nothing. Yeah, we have orientation today. Like, all this week we have orientation. I don't know if I'm gonna go the whole week. I'm gonna go today and probably tomorrow, and like any other mandatory ones. But I just got finished getting dressed. Hold on, let me fix my shirt. Alright, I just got finished getting dressed or whatever. I'm about to meet up with Amir, but I just want to show y'all my outfit. So this is what it's looking like. I just have on this black and white striped button down off the shoulder shirt, some blue jeans, and some black sandals. My MCM bag just matches, and I really didn't have time to curl my hair, so yeah. It's a little dark on this side. It's dark on my side. Like, my light does not work. I'm rocking my pimple as well, y'all. But my light in my room does not work on my side. It only works on my roommate's side. So I ain't break it. So, but anyway, y'all, I'm about to meet up with Amir. I'll catch y'all when I meet up with her. Okay, y'all, so I'm with Amir.
Right here?
Yes.
I see him, man.
Thank you.
Say hey, girl. Yo, we don't know how to act, y'all. Like,
No,
we really don't know how
seriously.
to act.
I'm so happy.
But it's okay. It's okay.
We're trying to use a tobacco-free campus.
We're trying to figure out this orientation schedule, because it's like, I don't know, y'all.
I think
Okay, y'all, so we are at breakfast. We was a little lost. Yeah, it's way different from you, yes. But this is what we got for breakfast. I got a bagel with jelly, orange juice, and a parfait. Amir got the same thing, but her bagel is cream cheese.
And this is mostly yogurt.
It's mostly. So we about to grub. We still confused about this orientation, but oh well. And I gotta get my ID card. I don't have no ID card. But I will be checking back with y'all in a little bit. Oh, we're right here. Oh. Hey, girl! They ain't getting nowhere. You better not call for an ambulance because you're not getting. Hey, y'all. We're walking to our orientation right now, and they got us walking in the freaking city. Like we're walking blocks away to go to orientation.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a dope piece of
Yeah, they're saying like they might do like
Yo, like this walk is killing me. My poor feet. I'm going to get my feet done later. Like I need them to massage my feet, yo. Okay, we just got lunch. I killed the salad already, but I have a burger, corn, chicken, and some cookies. And then there's Amir over there. Yo, I'm starving.
Parsons, let me hear y'all scream! Just
We are not Parsons.
Just kidding. Okay? A, I know we're at FIT, and B, more importantly, Parsons is trash. It's trash, it's trash. One of the hardest things about performing for a bunch of FIT students is like I should be looking out at you guys and seeing like a bunch of fresh-faced, vibrant young artists who are gonna like change the future of fashion, but all I see are a bunch of people who fucking hate my outfit. Let me just get out in front of it and say these jeans were not pre-distressed. I will never buy pre-distressed jeans, okay? These have a long, storied narrative in which I am the protagonist, okay? They wore down on my legs, I bought them intact. What's next? Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen and everyone in between. My name is John Early and I solemnly swear to make you feel so safe tonight.
Okay, hey y'all. So I had an amazing day. Way better than yesterday. Like y'all, way better than yesterday. My hair is kind of frizzy because it was humid outside or whatever. And I look oily because I just been hot all day. But I had an amazing day. I spent time with my roommate and Amir. So yeah, I'm gonna close out this vlog. So this is gonna be my move-in / first day of orientation vlog. And then what I'm filming tomorrow and the rest of the week will be my first week of orientation, you know. But this is the first day, but it's going to be the continuation of the first week. Then I'll be doing weekly vlogs of my college experience here at the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York City. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for being on this emotional roller coaster journey with me. It was, you know, it wasn't easy at first, but you know, I think I'm going to get the swing of things. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.